How to get $10 Nike promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in Nike.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Nike. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase. Now you can log into your account. Once you log in, you can browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, you can paste the code and you can get the discount. But where can you find the Nike promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Nike promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get promo code for Nike. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. Clicking on this section of coupon codes. In this page, you're going to find only coupon codes. You can just scroll and check 10% coupon code, 35% coupon code, 40% coupon code, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you are interested in. Just go ahead and click on view coupon. So here's the code, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Nike. In the checkout page, you'll find the promo code option. Over there, paste the code and you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. You're gonna find tons of amazing offers in this page. Also go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Nike. Well, this way you can easily get $10 Nike promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.